everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I have created two hairstyles for you all, which is just appropriate for the festive season that's right around the corner. And I have created a bun and an open hair hairstyle, so I hope you will like it, and these will also give you that Kareena Kapoor Khan vibes, which I personally absolutely love. I will also be demonstrating how I use the Pantene Pro V oil replacement. It's a multi-purpose product and I will be first using it as a pre-wash detangler. I'll take a walnut size amount of the product and evenly spread through the lengths of my hair. I'll keep it for 15 minutes before I wash off the product. Now this step will make sure that my hair are tangle free throughout the day and they're smoother and shinier. If you want that oil treatment, you can also keep it for a bit longer, like 30 minutes, and it will give you oil-like nourishment and will make sure that your hair fall reduces over time. Tie it into a bun and wash your hair, and then you can use the same product as a leave-in conditioner or serum as well. This step will make sure that your hair are frizz-free and ready for any sort of hairstyle that you are going to do. So for the first hairstyle, I will be dividing my hair into two sections. Now you can do a side parting or middle parting as you may please. Now I will be doing Dutch braids because you know I love them so much. I have a complete dedicated tutorial on it, so if you want I will link it up here so that you can have a look at it. Now it is very important for this hairstyle to have your hands basically at the right position, because if you change the position, the direction of your braid will also change. So for the first few knots, I have added hair to both these strands, both the outer strands, and after a point I am adding additional hair only to the outermost strand, that is the one which is nearer to your hairline. And once I reach my ear level, I have stopped adding more hair and I'm just doing a regular 3-strand braid, and then I'm just going to tie it off using a regular elastic rubber band. And yeah, you have to repeat the same step on the other side as well. And once that's done, just tie all your hair into a ponytail. Now you may keep your ponytail high or as low as you please. And once that's done, just release the rubber bands and make your braids fuller, and so that basically they are visible, they give more texture and dimension to your hairstyle. It looks really pretty once you do that. So yeah, once you are happy with how the braids look like, just tie your hair into a bun, twist it, and just wrap it into a bun, because we have so much drama going on the crown. The bun, I'm going to keep the bun simple, but you can do different stuff if you feel like. So yeah, once that's done, I'm just going to secure the bun with lots of bobby pins and U-pins, yeah, that's pretty much all for the hairstyle. And to make sure that my flyaways and baby hair are in place, I'm going to use the Pantene oil replacement cream just a little bit, and I'm going to set it with my fingers itself. And once I am happy with how it looks, I'm just going to comb the fronts of my hairstyle a little bit, just to make sure that the cream settles and my baby hair and flyaways are not really flying away. So yeah, that's all for the first hairstyle. I really like this one and I hope you like it too. For the second hairstyle, I am going to use heat for the very first time on my channel, and I will be using the Pantene Pro V oil replacement product as a heat protectant. Now it's very important to use heat protectant before you're using any sort of heat or basically heat on your hair. So yeah, I'm going to do curls today, and I'm using a curling iron. I am not really habitual to using it. It's just been a couple of times that I've started using a curling iron. So I've just divided my hair into two sections, the upper and lower section, and then I'm going to divide the lower section into further two sections. And then I'm just going to take simple thin strands, and then I'm going to wrap it around the curler and just feel the temperature and keep it for like 10 to 12 seconds, and yeah, there you go, you have your beautiful curls. The only trick here is that once you release the curl, you have to wrap it with, you have to basically secure it with a clutcher or a clip, so that as long as it's hot, you can keep it together so that it lasts longer. It will increase the longevity of your hairstyle. Otherwise, the curls tend to disappear. So yeah, once all the curls are cool and they are at normal temperature, just release the clutches or the clips, and there you go, you have your beautiful curls in place. Now you may keep your hairstyle open. If you do not want to do anything, don't do anything. If you want to make one single twist, you can do that. But I'm going to, because I love middle parting, so I'm going to do 2 front twists, and these are pretty simple. The curls itself are talking a lot, so I do not want to do too much for this hairstyle. So I'll keep it very simple. I'll just make 2 simple twists on either sides. And I really love this hairstyle, and I think it will look really pretty on girls, for the Navratri nights. So yeah, that was the second hairstyle, and I love doing this video. So I hope you liked it too, and I will see you very soon. Till then, bye bye. Take care.